Late na naman. And I know some of you are still awake right now. Nagtatrabaho, nag-aaral, or just thinking about life. Gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi ka nag-iisa. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang pinapasan. Lahat tayo may araw na parang hindi na kaya. But here you are. Still going, still trying, and you're still showing. Ika nga nila, that already makes you stronger than you think. You're better than yesterday. Ingat lagi. Rest when you needed to as well. Bukas ulit tayo. Desk with Carl.